Do you want to earn 500 naira per referral? Also 500 naira for the person, and then this video is for you. So hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Samuel, and I'll be talking about an update that's going to pay you 500 naira to pass someone, and once that person joins, they get 500 naira. So it's a win-win for both scenarios. So first of all, you're going to go back to Play Store and you're going to search for MoreMonee. You're going to search for MoreMonee. This is the application over here. You install it, and I'll also put in the link for the application in the description box so it's easier. Just click on the link there, then you wait for it to install. Now, before continuing, let me give you guys more heads up about this update. So first of all, for this update, you're going to need your NIN or BVN, and it's rootable if you have a NIN or BVN, which everybody in Nigeria has. And also, this update is restricted to Nigeria. So first of all, you must have either a NIN or BVN. So once you create this account, I'll show you how to get your referral link. You create another account under your name, different details. I'll show you as I go. Once you create the account under your name, you use your BVN. So if you use your NIN for this one, you can use the BVN for the other one, or vice versa. So you'll be able to earn like 500 for your main account, 500 for your second one, and the referral reward 500. So that's close to 1,500 if you are going to use your two details. So first of all, once the application is done, so you open it. You can just allow the notifications access, then just wait for it. You can just skip all of this and just get started. Now you're going to just accept. Then you're going to put in your email. You're going to put in your phone number. Then you're going to put in your referral code. So the referral code you are going to use at first, which is my referral code, is in the description box. Just you see it there and you just copy it. So this is the referral code directly. Then you're going to type in your password and click on next. Once you're done, just click on next, then wait for it. If you see any error like processing or etc., just keep retrying. So as you can see now, you're going to pick which other one you want to use to be your verification. So for me, I'll be going ahead with BVN at first. So you're just going to put BVN, you put in your BVN and click on next. After then, you're going to need to take your face verification. So they just do, and it's liveness check. So you have to do the face verification, and then we'll move on. Once you are done with the face verification, just click on next, then you wait for it to finish reading. After that, you click on OK, cool. So it just takes you here, you just put in your email back and sign into the account, then we move on. Alright, so once you have logged in, you're going to move on to the second section. First of all, you're going to put in this link. This is the link you're going to put it into your web browser. It's going to redirect you to this website. So now you just here you're going to put in your email and password. But since we have not have an account with the MoreMonee student credentials, you click on join community. So you're going to put in the email linked to your MoreMonee account. You put in your password. Then the password you put here is the same one you use for your account. Then for the school, you can choose any school. I mean, I'll just choose the school. Then for the department, you can just choose any department. Then for the level, you can just choose any level. Then for the matric number, you can just put in the random matric number. Let me just give an example. I'll grab you to 5 something like this. Then future aspiration, you can just say anything here, just anything here. Then referral code, you put in that same referral code you used. 32 then just then once you're done, you'll be able to see your student page. So once you have already registered, you see your referral code. So referral code is just the number you used to register. Now refer a friend and you get 500, and then when that person sign up to MoreMonee, they get 500 also. So it's a win-win in both scenarios. To do this is very, very easy. You can use a dual code now, or you can also just log out of the account and create another account. If it's just doing any error here, you can go back to the app, log out from the app, and then try again on the website. It works. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have some more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel. You need to turn on notification bell to get notified when we upload new content like this. We do have our WhatsApp group in the description box where we share updates faster, so please go ahead to join it. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Any questions, drop it in the comment section.